In this tutorial, we'll learn how to assign statistical, what do you call it? Statistical illustrations to our data. So this is my imaginary program where I partake in an activity with school students and I record the number of participants per day for 4 weeks. So on the first day, for the first week, we had 10 participants. Second day, that's Tuesday, 27. Wednesday, it dropped to 4. Thursday, 26. So I would like to create a statistical representation of it. So let's do this. Select everything, shift, and then select last one. And then click on insert column, 2D column. That's what I want for me. Yeah. So now I don't, if you can see, it's supposed to be week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Understand? But it comes in the format Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then for each week. So you right click on select data, switch to one column. This is more like it. So okay. So you see for week 1, on the first day there were 10 students. On the second there were 27. The chart is just to help you analyze and present them in a bar chart. So you can decide to change. Okay, if you don't want this type of chart, you click on right click and then click on change chart type. And then let's go for pie chart. Okay, so you can see another one we can try is change chart type. Let's see scatter diagram, even though I don't know much on it. Okay, so you see, so this is just how you represent data, all those things we get to see when people calculate corona cases in so place. Like these are just simple ways for you to create your own, analyze your own data statistically with statistical illustrations.